Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about using DeepL for Word. In order to do so, first off, what you're going to want to do is you're looking to go to appsource.microsoft.com and you're going to search for DeepL. Once you have done so, then you should find DeepL for Word here, and if you just select Get It Now, then from there, you can enter in your information, and that's going to take you to this page here. And then you'll see there that you have the option to open in Word. Right now, I am on iOS, so if we click on that, then it's not going to go through, but the concept is the same. If you're on a PC, you're just going to want to make sure that you have Word on your computer, install DeepL from the app source with Microsoft. Uh, let's see here, appsource.microsoft.com, and then you just select where it says open in Word, and then it will open in Word for you. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.